Ali Raza, if you were tasked with growing a Google Ads account with search and shopping each with a $10 day budget, what would you recommend on doing to get it to break even ROS? ROS means return on ad spending, and even scaling the e-commerce business profitability. What would you do? How would you achieve these two milestones, break even, ROS, and scaling? What is your method? Let me know as quickly as possible. So, if I was over there and I had budgets dollar 10 per day for search and budget dollar 10 per day for shopping, the first thing I'm gonna do is check up conversion tracking. Okay, this needed to be done. Conversion tracking done. Okay, my second is anti-fraud click setup. I highly emphasize on these things, anti-fraud click setup done. So both things needed to be done. Third thing is my USP regarding my product and my competitor analysis are done. So these things, are my first priority before going further. So let's say with search, because the budget is limited, so I'm going to select top four products. Okay, ideally three, but because I want you to test out, so four products. So four products, and I'm going to create SKAG campaigns. Okay, SKAG means single keyword ad group campaign. So for different campaigns for all those, and location wise, if I have a old data, that is very beneficial for you. But otherwise, then I'm gonna look for my competitors, and I'm gonna go with very small locations, or US probably. But that is going to be very risky because the money is to be very much low. $10 is very low amount. But let's say, assuming it, because I not have any options unless and until if I have a data of what conversions are working, locations are working well. So I'm gonna choose as per them, and focus on sales wherever I get, and then eventually shifting to retargeting. And for keyword selection, I'm gonna go with phrase match or exact match. And for now, I'm gonna select the exact product type as my keyword, or like buy plus product, or product name plus review or deal or discount word, something like this. So I'm going to, because I have a very limited budget, so I'm going to scale with this, and I eventually wanted to shift to retargeting, and I also want to explore the locations. But the budget is a very good constraint over here. However, I'm just telling you for the search. For shopping, I do not have much budget. I frankly I do not have much budget. So with the $10, I'm gonna go with standard shopping feed. Okay. I I will let the data first with Pmax to see figure out. That is the beauty over here. While I quickly look on analyzing the data and the products, but with Pmax, I'm going to select all the products to see what is working well. The beauty of Pmax is it scrolls and get, and then from the Pmax I will find out more campaign, then move on to search campaign with more data and customization. However, since I do not have much budget, so unfortunately I'm going to run it with the Pmax campaign, with a started shopping campaign. Will then get some data and then decide on optimization. So for now, it's I'm going to run right now, but then once I get some data for optimization of the shopping campaign, so I may look for different layouts, including selecting audience segments and other things. So that is just going to be decided later on. However, for now, I'm going to run campaign and get some data. So I hope you like the video. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team is in the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.